I have a pet. I have a pet. My pet is a dog. My pet is a dog. His name is Max. His name is Max. Max is 2 years old. Max is 2 years old. He is small and brown. He is small and brown. He has big eyes. He has big eyes. Max lives in our house. Max lives in our house. He sleeps in a small bed. He sleeps in a small bed. He likes to sleep near me. He likes to sleep near me. Max wakes up early. Max wakes up early. In the morning, he is very active. In the morning, he is very active. He runs around the house. He runs around the house. Max eats dog food. Max eats dog food. He eats in the morning and in the evening. He eats in the morning and in the evening. He also drinks fresh water. He also drinks fresh water. Sometimes I give him meat. Sometimes I give him meat. He likes meat very much. He likes meat very much. He also likes bones. He also likes bones. Max likes to play every day. Max likes to play every day. We play with a ball. We play with a ball. He runs after the ball. He runs after the ball. He brings the ball back to me. He brings the ball back to me. Sometimes we play with the stick. Sometimes we play with the stick. Max likes to bite the stick. Max likes to bite the stick. We also play in the garden. We also play in the garden. He runs fast and jumps. He runs fast and jumps. Playing makes him happy. Playing makes him happy. I am happy too. I am happy too. Every day I walk with Max. Every day I walk with Max. We go to the park. We go to the park. Max runs on the grass. Max runs on the grass. He smells the flowers. He smells the flowers. He looks at other dogs. He looks at other dogs. Sometimes he plays with them. Sometimes he plays with them. Children like to look at Max. Children like to look at Max. They say, "What a nice dog." They say, "What a nice dog." Max likes children too. Max likes children too. He is always friendly. He is always friendly. Max can do tricks. Max can do tricks. He can sit when I say sit. He can sit when I say sit. He can stand up. He can stand up. He can give me his paw. He can give me his paw. He can catch the ball. He can catch the ball. Sometimes he jumps high. Sometimes he jumps high. I teach him new tricks. I teach him new tricks. He learns quickly. He learns quickly. I love my dog very much. I love my dog very much. Max loves me too. Max loves me too. He always follows me. He always follows me. He waits for me after school. He waits for me after school. He is happy when I come home. He is happy when I come home. He jumps and wags his tail. He jumps and wags his tail. I play with him every day. I play with him every day. I never feel lonely with Max. I never feel lonely with Max. A dog is a true friend. A dog is a true friend. Max is my best friend. Max is my best friend. He makes me smile. He makes me smile. He makes me happy. He makes me happy. I always take care of him. I always take care of him. I love my pet with all my heart. I love my pet with all my heart.